Why are you recording? Cause Chris.
Excuse me.
But no, sorry.
What the hell? You cut it again? Sorry. Wait.
Same here. Oh, I don't know.
Damn,
Gina!
Did you record this, Sierra?
I was recording Chris over there. Damn, shady ass.
What happened to her?
I pissed all over her. Ah!
Oh, is that why that big guy
Can you give
was
me the
running?
history book now, please?
Is that why that big guy was running?
Yes.
Risa!
Chris, I'm not going to
Turn around. Why did he wet you?
Cause I didn't even wet his picture.
That's why you
Hella wet.
You need
My
help.
hair is loose.
Hi.
Hi, Kai Tae.
There's so many people to walk through.
You need help.
Hide your kids, hide your wife. Hide your kids, hide your wife.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi. Christopher! Christopher! You are so mean. You are so shady. Hi, Kenneth.
Hey.
You are shady. Say sorry. Say sorry. She's fucking wet as fuck. He dumped, do you know what he did? He dumped 3 water bottles on Adel. Shady!
Payback's bitch.
She didn't even wet you.
She pushed me in the door.
Wow! Wow, because Adel is so like 10 times bigger than you, right? Did you hear me scream your name on the intercom? Wasn't it you who answered it? You were like, office. Office. Yeah! See?
I'm just kidding.
Chris, hop on my back.
Oh, no, I'm scared.
Chris, hop on my back.
I scared her, nigga.
He like, nah, I'm not scared.
But deep down inside, you scared.
I'm just kidding, she's not wet. I mean, she is, but she
Yeah, nigga, she was like, get the hell out.
She is, but she's not hella.
Did you see this Asian who said you want this?
Yeah.
Hey! Look at my face. Bitch, it's the mop. She looked at my face and started slobbing on my knob. Fly ass nigga in the air like a light green light in the booth. Bars don't stop. Now your bitch got NAC easy. Yang gang. Bitch, I like my nachos cheesy. Bitches can't do shit but catch me out of peace. No. Oh shit.